keep going. We have a surprise. Okay, but we're gonna have surprise in your room.
Wow!
Wow.
Oh!
Ready?
Mommy, that's a camera?
Yeah, that's the Knox camera.
It's a nice camera, huh?
You ready? We have surprise for you. What is that?
Here's a little bed.
Whose is it?
Mine.
Is this your new bedroom?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Get
What
on.
do you say?
Wow, look
Are
at
you
that.
so happy? Lay down so we can see all the Tinkerbell. Wow, Brielle. Wow.
Do you think-
Smile.
Do you think Chia's happy?
Yeah.
Wow, Brielle. You're a big girl now.
Wow.
Who else has big bed, girl bed? Finley Ryan and Brielle? What's on your bed? Is it fairies?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
And that.
Yeah.
Is that Rosetta?
Where's Tinkerbell?
Mm.
She's on your pillow too. Wow.
It's Tinkerbell.
Yeah. Are you so excited?
That's her shoe.
And her shoes. Yeah, you like her shoes. Don't know why.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mommy, blanket to see.
Yeah, that's your
Mommy.
blanket.
Go downstairs.
Yeah. You gonna lay down?
Yeah.
Okay, get on your pillow. Let me see you. Oh my goodness, she is a fairy princess.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Go downstairs and see me.
You want me to go away?
Do you want us to go downstairs and come back?
Yeah.
Okay,
Wanna
we'll give
lay
you.
down,
Want
take a
some
rest?
privacy?
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. What do you say for your new bed?
Thank you.
You're welcome, Angel.
Thank you, Mr. Bell.
Oh yeah, you did. Mr. Bill
Mr.
helped.
Bell helped. That was so nice. Smile.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah?
Tinkerbell.
Is it beautiful?
Mama.
Yeah.
Look at me.
Look at you.
I'm a bed on my bed.
You want to bounce on your bed? Okay, go ahead.
Wow, 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 wow.
Whoa.
That's a big bed, huh? That's a lot bigger than your crib.
I'm making noise.
You're making noise.
Wow, wow, wow.
Yay. Oh, you have a pretty nice room, Brielle.
It's getting pretty. You got a big mirror over there, white dressers, carriage bed. You got your bookshelf and your bear,
Your
Mr.
meow
Bear.
is probably hiding behind the door.
Yeah, your meow's sleeping probably, huh?
What's my meal?
I don't know. Look at mommy.
Yeah, Meow's back behind the. Here, do you want Meow?
No.
Okay.
Okay. She's sleeping.
Oh, your mirror. That's what you're saying. Your mirror. Yeah, that's your
Look,
mirror.
Brielle, your new one, your big girl mirror. How pretty is that?
Mommy,
Yeah.
I'm going here.
Okay.
Great.
This is her exit, guys.
Houdini.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I'm going downstairs.
Okay, can I get on the bed with you?
Say hi to Mimi.
How about you guys go into bed together?
Okay, come on, Brienne.
Picture.
Come on.
Yeah?
Come on, I want to lay down with you. Ooh,
Yeah.
she's got a nice memory foam mattress. I think I'm going to have to upgrade. Wow. We can rest together now.
I'm Peppa.
Okay. But let's practice pretend. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
I'm so happy for you.
Daddy, I want to see.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to turn it off now. This is July 1st, 2011. Gabrielle's Big Girl Bed.